left auricle, aorta, ascending aorta, and the pulmonary trunk. This is the right coronary artery, which runs through the coronary sulcus, and then it turns into the posterior interventricular groove as the posterior interventricular branch of the right coronary artery, or the RPD, right posterior descending. Here is the coronary sinus, which traverses the coronary groove between the left ventricle and left atrium. This is the left atrium here. And then we have got here also the posterior, this is just a middle cardiac vein which empties into the coronary sinus, and the posterior vein of the left ventricle. Sometimes it's double. I'm not quite sure, but here we won't see too much of the oblique vein of the left atrium, but it empties into the coronary sinus as well. And here you can see the anterior papillary muscle and the septomarginal trabecula. This is the septomarginal trabecula, the moderator band. Then you have here the posterior papillary muscle of the right ventricle. That's the posterior papillary muscle here. And then you can see also the muscular part of the ventricular septum. Here is the anterior and posterior papillary muscles. Anterior next to the anterior wall, posterior in the back. That's quite easy to recognize, especially considering the thickness of the wall. And in the atria, we have got these pectinate muscles with the crista terminalis, with the fossa ovalis, remnant of the fossa ovalis, which is localized in the interatrial septum. And here we can see the pulmonary veins. These are the pulmonary veins which empty to the left atrium of the heart. Here they are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. Here is the 3 and 4. 2 upper to lower. That's quite cool. And from the aortic arch, brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid, and left subclavian, which originate from here.